Transform your outdoor space with wooden pallet garden ideas that are budget-friendly, stylish, and eco-friendly. In this video, we'll explore some creative ways to upcycle wooden pallets into beautiful and functional garden features. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small balcony, these ideas will inspire you to add a touch of greenery to your home. Stay tuned. One of the best ways to use wooden pallets is by creating a vertical pallet garden. Simply stand a pallet upright, secure some fabric or planter boxes, and fill them with your favorite flowers, herbs, or succulents. This is a fantastic space-saving solution for those with limited outdoor areas, making it perfect for balconies, patios, or small yards. Plus, the rustic charm of wooden pallets adds a natural, organic look to any space. If you're interested in growing your own vegetables, a raised pallet garden bed is a great option. Lay a wooden pallet flat, fill the gaps with soil, and plant lettuce, tomatoes, or carrots with ease. This method not only helps with better drainage and weed control, but also reduces the strain on your back, since you won't have to bend as much while gardening. It's an excellent way to grow fresh, organic produce at home with minimal effort. Another brilliant idea is a hanging pallet planter. By attaching a pallet to a fence or wall, you can create a stunning vertical herb garden or floral display. Use hooks or small pots to arrange different plants, adding a touch of color and greenery to your outdoor space. This setup is perfect for those who love gardening but lack ground space, turning any blank wall into a lush, vibrant feature. Beyond gardening, wooden pallets can also be transformed into stylish outdoor furniture and decor. You can build benches, coffee tables, or plant shelves using repurposed pallets, giving your garden a cozy and rustic aesthetic. With a bit of creativity and some DIY effort, you can design unique pieces that fit perfectly into your outdoor setting while also being sustainable and cost-effective. Wooden pallets offer endless possibilities for creating a stunning and functional garden. Whether you're growing fresh herbs, designing a floral wall, or building custom furniture, these simple yet creative ideas can enhance your outdoor space effortlessly. Which idea do you love the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring garden ideas.